People, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are talking about how to update Bluetooth drivers. First, we have to open our device manager. So you head over to the taskbar right here, then you click on the search and just type in device manager. You should see it right here. So you just have to double click on it and it opens, or you just open it, then click on this drop down for the Bluetooth. We have a bunch of Bluetooth drivers of which we can update right here. So I'm just going to right click on this and we have update drivers. So it's going to ask if you want to update and if you want to automatically search for the update or you want to browse for it on your PC. For my case, I'm just going to be searching automatically for the drivers. So as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed, which means that the best driver for the system is already installed, which means it's up to date. We have the latest version of the Bluetooth drivers running. You can do the same for other options. You just have to right click and update the driver. You just have to right click and update the bunch of other drivers of the Bluetooth on your system. It's a very easy process. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.